Hello everyone, welcome back to Chadwick's Real Tips. This week we're going to be talking about how to buy new kitchen appliances. As you know, it can be very overwhelming with all the choices out there and really how to make the best decision on the best bang for your buck. The first thing to consider is budget. Really, budget's going to dictate on really the direction you can go. And your budget should include delivery, the pickup of the old appliances, and also installation. It's really important that you pay for installation because if you hook it up, you're accountable, but if they hook it up, their people are accountable. On color style, really important to think about. You may have a kitchen that's already remodeled, and so you're picking a color style to match that current renovation look. But if you're planning on also renovating your kitchen in the next couple of years, try to think ahead of a color scheme that may be more neutral for a possible kitchen remodel. 3, also look for measurements, and especially with refrigerators, be sure to measure it, counter depth, height, because Murphy's Law, it won't fit or it won't be the right size. Be sure to measure for all of those things and look for all the different features that you need to have, such as an ice maker or a water dispenser or a water filter. A lot of those things are important features that you need. Be sure to look those up and make sure that those are in your budget. Read the consumer reviews. Not the ones that are on the website that's selling the appliances, but actually the consumer reviews about the brand. Those are more authentic reviews written by actually people, not bots that have written AI data or reviews on appliances. And last but not least, I recommend always buying the extended warranty with the appliances. The maximum you can get is usually between 3 and 5 years. It is extra cost, but they call it bumper to bumper. If anything breaks, it's usually replaced and it's no cost to you. So if you don't want to have any issues and worry about your appliances, buy that warranty. Hopefully these tips will help you solve and help orient you and minimize the stress of purchasing those appliances, and Shangela and I look forward to being invited over to your kitchen and celebrating your new look. We're here to listen to your real estate needs wherever you are on your real estate journey and advocate for your life dreams. We're here, and be sure to follow our social media feeds, and we will see you next week on Chadwick's Real Tips.